Jai Hind, and to the Indian Oil and all its employees, your friends and family members. On this day, your 60th birthday, as you step into the 61st year of a glorious provision of services to not just the country in general, but the armed forces in particular. Our warmest felicitations to you. What a journey it's been. As we've grown from childhood to now, traveling on a road, on a train, in an aircraft, on the airports, on the tarmac, and as I've joined the army in our forward locations, be it the mountains, be it the deserts, be it the seas or the oceans, everywhere it's a matter of great pride for us to see the Indian Oil logo emblazoned on your tankers and your trailers and your delivery units and the uniforms of your employee force. You have grown with India, and you have contributed significantly to making India what it is today. Particularly for us in the armed forces, you've walked with us hand in hand, be it our most difficult locations, be it our new acquisitions, be it new innovations in the delivery of goods and services, be it in the creation of new products and product systems. You have done a fantastic job, and we are extremely proud to have been associated with you over this 6-decade-long period. So where are we at this moment? We are at over 310,000 kiloliters worth of products, costing over 2,000 crores. And that is what you bring to the table for us. You have helped us function, operationalize and sustain our sensitive equipment, specialized equipments at our most difficult places. That has been spectacular. More recently, over the last year and a half, as our country and the world in general has grappled with the menace of COVID, you have come forward consistently and most generously and contributed in no small measure to our fight against COVID and for the betterment of our servicemen and our ex-servicemen. For all of these and many more things which I cannot comment on in the limited time that I have, I wish to thank you profusely, not just on the behalf of my formation, but personally as well. And I wish you, your friends and your families a glorious future and a fantastic year ahead. Thank you very much. So happy Indian Oil Day and have a fantastic year. Jai Hind.
Yeah, I'm Siva Shanmugaraja, IAS, Chairman and Managing Director of Poombaar Shipping Corporation. Basically, in Poombaar Shipping Corporation, we are operating vessels for Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. And to operate these vessels, we are getting bunkers from Indian Oil Corporation. I would like to wish a very happy Indian Oil Day on the 1st of September to all the employees of Indian Oil Corporation. Poombaar Shipping Corporation and IOC have been having a very long-standing relationship which has been nurtured for the past so many years. We appreciate the continuous efforts taken by IOCL to meet our marine fuel requirements at various ports across this country. I also wish to record our appreciation towards the launch of VLSFO by Indian Oil Corporation as early as November 2019 in Chennai and Tuticorin ports, whereas the official target date was January 2020. We look forward for everlasting continued association with Indian Oil Corporation, and I wish this organization all the very best. Thank you.
On this special occasion of Indian Oil Day, I wish all the Indian Oil employees and staffs a very happy Indian Oil Day. At this moment, we would like to cherish and we will remember the support what Indian Oil has provided. Let it be the BS6 fuel, we got it first for our development trail. Let it be the E20, ethanol 20% blend fuel, whatever we have been supported for our development trail. And the recent, the fuel pump installation at our world-class facility, which is at Cheyyar. And all the supports are phenomenal. We wish this association to continue and wish all the Indian Oil employees once again. Thank you.
Tamil Nadu State Fisheries Apex Cooperative Federation, we are doing welfare activities for the fishermen. So we are supplying diesel, subsidized government subsidized diesel to the fishing boats of both the traditional as well as mechanized fishermen. So on an average, we are supplying 25,000 kl of diesel to the fishing boats through IOC. We have been associated with the IOC for a very long time, since 1992, and the service and interaction is always excellent. And we wish to continue the relationship, and we wish a happy Indian Oil Day to all the officials, customers, and all the staff of IOC.
I, Dr. J. Loganathan, Additional Commissioner of Police, Headquarters, Greater Chennai Police. On behalf of Greater Chennai Police, wishing all employees of Indian Oil Corporation Limited a very happy Indian Oil Day on 1st of September. Greater Chennai Police and Indian Oil have a very long standing relationship nurtured over the past so many years. We appreciate the continuous efforts taken by the Indian Oil Corporation to meet fuel requirement of motor vehicles of Greater Chennai Police. Indian Oil, being public servant, as a social part, extended services during this pandemic period and other emergencies. We look forward for everlasting continued association with Indian Oil Corporation and our best wishes in all their endeavors. Thank you.
On behalf of Ashok Leyland, I wish all of you a very happy Indian Oil Day, which is on 1st of September. Ashok Leyland and IOC have a very long relationship which is nurtured over a long period of time. Last year, as you know, we migrated to BS6 regulatory norms, wherein we were desperately looking for the supply of fuel for testing. I wish to put on record the support which was provided by IOC by moving the fuel from long distances like Mathura, Delhi, etc., which supported us in terms of launching our vehicles on time, which we deeply appreciate. Looking forward to having a long association with IOC. Thank you.
I am Harsh Malhotra, Director Technical, Madras Fertilizers Limited. Madras Fertilizers was incorporated in 1966 and is engaged in the manufacture of ammonia, urea, complex fertilizers and biofertilizers. It markets these fertilizers under its brand name Vijay. Madras Fertilizer has a long association with Indian Oil Corporation. With the feedstock conversion, Indian Oil Corporation is supplying natural gas since July 2019. Besides this, the requirements of other fuel requirements like diesel, fuel oil is also met by Indian Oil Corporation. All over lube oil requirements are also supplied by Indian Oil Corporation. We thank Indian Oil Corporation for timely supply and continued support. We look forward for continuous association with Indian Oil Corporation. On behalf of Madras Fertilizers Limited, I wish all employees of Indian Oil Corporation a very happy Indian Oil Day. Thank you.